Hello everyone, I've started Q API and in this video I'm gonna continue with another function can be used. Let's start the machine. As you remember, at last video we created a queue and two tasks started to communicate with each other. Firstly, I would like to thank the people who watched these tutorial videos and asking some question about it. This keeps my motivation high. And I would like to start this video with a question I got. A friend asked that we checked receive function with if statement. Is that possible to check send function? That is a useful question because on some complex projects sometimes the data couldn't get from queue and we start a debug working and it costs a lot of time. So it's of course the best way check the functions. Let's put it on if statement and let's write an error message to catch if there's an error. Queue send functions get 0 on error conditions, 1 on the successful conditions. And let's see other functions. Firstly, I would like to change size of queue buffer to 1. And let's compile it. As you can see, it's only got first message. Then the others could not write it to queue buffer. Then let's change message tree with override function. This function don't require blocking time, so I'm gonna delete last parameter. This function is used to write a value to queue buffer whether it's full or empty. Let's see. As you can see, it writed first message to queue buffer, then it couldn't write the second one. But we can write the third message to queue buffer and get it from receive function. This is how we used override function. Then I would like to jump best part of queue, which is of course interrupt. Let's copy interrupt initial part from task interrupt example. We can delete let parts if you want, we don't use it. Let's change task functions with queue function. The first parameter is the queue we will use. Second one is the pointer of the variable that will be sended. And the last one is priority. Let's skip it with null. And again, we should create a tx buffer because we created on task 1. If we don't create there, we got compiling error. And let's write hello from ISR inside of it. So when I press the interrupt button, QSend will work and send a data to queue buffer. Let's compile it. You see, all data are sent from task 1. When I press the interrupt button, it sends hello from ISR message. We can use it as much as we want. And this is how it works with interrupt service routine. These functions are the most common and will help to you on many situations. To sum up, Q API will help to us to send a data from anywhere, then check and get it from at the other part. That's all I am going to talk about today. Stay motivated and subscribe me. Let's control the controllers together.